young Paul Bunyan in this bitch. I got babes. Swear to God, it's some real test. Real shit, whole squad gotta feel this. Swear to God, this light work. Back and forth through the night till the fight hurt. I'm that shit, you are gonna need a diaper. When it come to getting pussy, I'm a lifer. When you thought I couldn't get nicer, your boy step in the ring like Tiger. And you wonder how good my mood is. Walk around the hood, all I get is deuces. Bitch, me, you ain't know the food is. Getting HJs all through the movies. Yeah, motherfucker, I'm gooder. Would you like some popcorn along with that butter? I would like a sister along with that mother. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I got a buzzer. Looking at me like what up, brother? Looking back like bugger, shut up. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I'm trying to cut up. You ain't trying to put up, shut up. Fuck up. Swear to God I'm an animal. Killer on the down low. Swear to God I'm the baddest out. Alright, go ahead, get your cameras out. What the fuck is up with that bitch over there? Me mugging, I think I should stand up and go see if it needs something. See these biggest motherfuckers right beside of me. Known them their whole life, they would never lie to me. This is the beginning of a dynasty. You should be thinking of more ways you could be kind to me. Swear that your whole crew is boo-boo. Looking like some dudes that I could easily chew through. I know this ain't probably what you used to, but everybody welcome on the wagon, go choo-choo. And when people tell me I regret that in the morning, I sleep till noon. I sleep till noon. When people tell me I regret that in the morning, I sleep till noon. I sleep till noon. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I got a buzzer. Looking at me like what up, brother? Looking back like bugger, shut up. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I'm trying to cut up. You ain't trying to put up, shut up. Fuck up. Swear to God, got dick game. Bitch made bitch tank like a fish tank. Swear to God, shoot switch, man. Puddle so big, could've been a piss stain. Look at my lifestyle, put it on DVD. Look how I'm knee deep. This is my CTV. Up in the TP, smoking with 3 keys. Up in some beefy. These are my GTG. Get it right, man. Get it right. Swear to God, I'm a GGG. Get it right, man. Get it right. Swear to God, I'm a GGG. Get it right, man. Get it right. Swear to God, I'm a GGG. Get it right, man. Get it right. Swear to God, I'm a GGG. When people tell me I regret that in the morning, I sleep till noon. I sleep till noon. When people tell me I regret that in the morning, I sleep till noon. I sleep till noon. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I got a buzzer. Looking at me like what up, brother? Looking back like bugger, shut up. What's up? Walking around like what's up? Everybody in the bar know I'm trying to cut up. You ain't trying to put up, shut up. Fuck up. Hey, shut the fuck up though. You. Hey, I don't like this dude. This dude looking at me right here. He kick the fuck out of the club right now. Shut the fuck up. You know I'm trying to get it cut up. I'm just shooting the breeze. I just got too much swag. The swag's on fleek.
All right. Look, there's the hawk. He just perched up on that tower. I was playing with the hawk, having way too much fun, and my little battery died and let me drop out the sky. So I'm way down here at the end of the road, and it's wet. Of course, I'm worry-free. I've been conformal coating all my builds for 7 years and never stopped. Ain't gonna stop. Everything should always be waterproof. Cause look, wasn't planning on this puddle being here. Wasn't planning on my battery dying. Hell, I wasn't planning on walking through this fucking water with my shoes, but I'm about to. You know I'm getting my motherfucking quad back. Hear my name. This is a pretty fucking cool spot. Cool thing is, I've seen this exact same spot in many places across the country. This exact same setup. 2 stacks, like here and here, and then this thing with the hole in the middle of it, between the 2 of them. I don't know what kind of shit they did here. That's right next to a bunch of railroad tracks. and it seems like a pretty common setup. Oh, I can see the quad sitting in a fucking puddle. I started coming back and my 4S battery was down on 12 volts. It's Dunners. And before I hit the ground, it would drop all the way to 6 volts. Cine, whoop. That's a Cinelog 3.5. 22 aerial. Screaming. And there's my Grinderino with the dead battery, just hanging out in the puddle. Ugh. It'll be okay. It's all waterproof. We're just gonna unplug it. Buzzer's deactivated. Shake out the water. I absolutely love this Grinderino. If you have not tried one yet, it's been amazing for me. I've been flying 5 inches for 8 years, and this one is the first one that really changed my mind on things. I've been treating it like a trainer though, so when I get to the spot, I start trying to do some hard shit that I can't do very well. Like today's mission has been trippy spins. You'll see a lot in my video today. I've been talking about trippies for a long time. I even made a fucking tutorial teaching people how to do trippy spins. And I've been struggling to do them in real life. So last night I put in the time, cranked out like an hour and a half on the sims, and just focused on the spins. I found one thing that helped is normally in the sims I have a way higher camera tilt than real life. I was flying like 35 degrees in the sims and like 25 in real life. And I felt like pushing them in the opposite directions helped a lot. So in the sims I went down all the way to 20, and in real life I went up to about 30, and that kind of crossover convergence has made a big difference for me and just allowing me to do what I was doing in the sims in real life now. But here they are, big old stack daddies.